Hello, welcome back to the MeasureSquare iPad tutorials. In this video, we are going to explain how to set up different cut margins on different tabs for the same product. To apply a different cut margin for each tab, you must first access the Project Items gear in the top right and then toggle on the Estimate by Tab option. Tap Done. To get to the different tabs, you will tap on the tool icon in the top left and then tap on Tabs and select the floor you would like to change the cut margin dimension. In this example, I will select floor 1. After I select the floor, the next step is to tap on the estimate icon at the top left of your screen. Tap on Optimize, select the product we are going to edit, and then tap Done to go to the next window where you can adjust the cut margin. For this example, I will change from a 3-inch cut margin to a 6-inch cut margin and tap Done to apply. Let's move on to floor 2 to make our adjustments. Tap on the tools icon in the top left, then select Tabs and select Floor 2. Now tap on the estimate icon to tap on Optimize, select the product we are going to adjust, then tap Done to move to the next window where we are going to type in the new cut margin. For this example, 3-inch cut margin to 9-inch cut margin, and then tap Done to apply. Switching between the tabs, you can then see the differences between the cut margins for floor 1 and floor 2 for our product. Don't forget that when you're switching between the different tabs, to tap on the rooms that are on the floor to view the new cut sheet. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos and more information for all MeasureSquare products.